Hello, good afternoon everyone. Nice to see you again with me, Konita Ulansari. Today in this video, I will let you know about advertisement one of the tourist attraction in Bali, namely Kertagose. One of the attraction in the eastern Bali area is Kertagose. Kertagose is located in Klungkur Regency, Bali, approximately 40 kilometers to the east of Denpasar. The Kertagose tourist attraction is one of the interesting tourist attraction in Bali and must be visited with family or relatives. Because this tourist spot has a very thick historical value to know. Starting from the reign in the King of Mughal to the Japanese colonial period in Indonesia, especially in Bali. Kertagose is one of the tourist attractions that provides a variety of architectural beauty and other uniqueness that becomes this tourist attraction. Kertagose is well known to foreign countries, so that this tourist attraction is able to attract foreign tourists every day. Not only that, this Kertagose tourism object is starting to become a favorite tourist spot in Klungkur, which is never deserted by tourists. Kertagose comes from two words, namely Kerte, which means prosperity, and Gose, which means discussion or a place of discussion. The Kertagose building is part of the Klungkung Royal Building Complex, which was built 1986 by first holder of power, Ide Idewe Agung Jambi. In ancient times, Kertagose was placed for discussion about the security situation, justice, prosperity of the Balinese kingdom, or called the court in Bali. In ancient times, Bali Kertagose has also functioned as a place or court hearings during the Dutch colonial period and during the Japanese colonial period, which until now can be seen as equipment from this Kertagose building, such as chairs, tables, and others that are carved and decorated with tinsel.
Kertagose is an open tourist spot which is included in the Semarapura Royal Building. Attraction This Kertagose tourist attraction consists of two buildings or Bali, namely Bali Kertagose and Bali Kambang. Called Bali Kambang because the building is surrounded by a pond, namely the Gili Gardens. Because there is a pool surrounding Bali Kambang, to be able to enter the Bali Kambang building area, visitors will pass a bridge made of bricks. The uniqueness of the Bali Kambang and Bali Kertagose buildings is that the surface of the ceiling of this Bali is decorated with traditional painting or wayang styles that describe the case being tried, as well as the types of punishment that will be received if they make a mistake. The function of two buildings is closely related to the function of education through wayang paintings displayed on the ceiling of the building. Besides, the paintings also tell the law of karma, the reward of the consequence of good and bad human actions that are carried out during their lives. Cultural heritage such as the Kingdom of Semarapura, Gose and Kerte Bali Kambang function to educate religious matters and ceremonies, especially the cutting of teeth or mupandas, like a king's son. The wayang paintings on the ceilings of Bali Kertagose and Bali Kambang are examples of the uniqueness and characteristics of wayang painting in Kamasan Village, Klungkung.
The facilities in Kertagose are attraction, architecture, gardens, toilets, and parking area. Domestic and foreign tourists who visit will be charged an entrance fee. The price of admission to Kertagose tourist attraction is 15,000 rupiah for adult Indonesian citizens 10,000 rupiah for children of Indonesian citizens, 50,000 rupiah for adult foreign citizen, and 25,000 rupiah for child foreign citizens. In addition, the ticket fee includes a sarung and skirt that will be used before entering the Kertogose Klungkung Park area. The atmosphere in this tourist attraction is very pronounced. Everything is neat and clean. Of course, the local government cares to take care of one of the historical places on the island of Bali. To visit Kertogose, we can use our own vehicle or rent car in Bali. Okay, that's all my video. Thank you for watching. See you and goodbye.